Crispy outside, chewy inside, butter mochi is dangerously good. Today we are making a lighter, less sweet version. Melt 30 g sugar, 20 g butter, 5 g coconut oil. Stir until the sugar dissolves. 100 g yogurt or milk, 100 g coconut milk, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add 130 glutinous rice flour, 1 gram salt. Mix until smooth. Strain if needed. Pour into a mold. Top with shredded coconut. Bake at 170 Celsius for 35 minutes. Cool for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Golden on top, soft and chewy inside, with a rich coconut aroma. Craving something soft, chewy, and not too sweet? This is your new go-to recipe.